Hello, welcome to my presentation on basic shell scripting. By the way, I'm Mr. Doria. Today we will explore what shell scripts are, how to run them, and some important practices to keep in mind. First, what is the shell script? A shell script is essentially a text file that contains a series of commands for a shell to execute. When we run shell script, each command is processed sequentially. This allows us to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and ensuring consistency. Additionally, shell scripts can include logic that allows them to make decisions based on conditions, offering dynamic behavior depending on the script's output or the files present. So, next page, this is the simple example of shell script. In a file called test.sh, we can write just one line, which is echo hello world. When we run this script, it prints hello world to the console. So the white one is the code and the black one is output. The run a shell script. The methods run as an argument sh space test.sh run directly /test.sh. If you encounter permission denied error when trying to run your script, you can fix it by changing the script's permissions. Use the command chmod /x space dot /test.sh to make it executable. Then, shebang. What is shebang? The shebang represented by number sign and exclamation point is used at the start of script to specify which interpreter should execute the script. For example, hashtag exclamation point /bin/bash indicates that the script should run using the bash shell. This allows for compatibility with different shell environments. So next is text editors and file format. I recommend to use plain text editors like Vim, Nano, Visual Studio Code. It's important to be comfortable with the text editor. Use plain text editors instead of Office tools like LibreOffice, as they may introduce formatting that can break your scripts. A simple text editor is ideal for creating clean scripts. So in conclusion, shell script is a powerful tool for automation and efficiency in command execution. By understanding the basics, including how to run scripts, the importance of permissions, the shebang, and choosing the right text editor, you can enhance your scripting skills. Thank you for your attention. But wait, I have a question. So the question is, what is the purpose of shebang in the shell script? A. It comments out the entire script. B. It indicates the end of the script. C. It specifies the interpreter that should be used to execute the script. Just comment your answer. Thank you.